Hey guys, I'm EmGems. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am doing my body get ready with me routine. I just jumped out of the shower, just woke up as well. First thing I'm going to do is put some conditioner in my hair. I am using the Renpure Advanced Extra Strength Apple Cider Vinegar Conditioner. This conditioner smells so good. Oh my gosh! And it really defines my curls as well. So I just washed my hair and I am drying it with a t-shirt. If you are not drying it with a t-shirt, what are you doing? It's the best way to dry your hair. Stop using those towels. They break off your hair and it's just a no-go. It's just not good for you. All right, so I'm just gonna divide my hair up into quarters. Just to divide it in half. And basically I'm gonna put my conditioner in my hair. And while my conditioner is sitting, I'm gonna do the rest of my routine. Phew, child. It was so hot in that damn bathroom. I have a skylight, and during the summer, all that sun, all that heat comes through the skylight, and it was so hot in there. I had the fan on, it was noisy. You guys couldn't hear me if I was talking, so that's why I'm doing this voiceover. But anyway, I am combing my hair, and then I'm gonna put it in a flat twist, going down one side and going down the other. The flat twists do not have to be perfect. I'm just gonna put a scarf on, let my hair absorb all that moisture, and then I'm gonna do my skincare routine. But don't worry, I am gonna come back to my hair. I'm also gonna be doing a hair tutorial. That is gonna be my next video. I'm actually gonna be doing a hair tutorial, and you're gonna see what style I do next. But for now, let it sit and move on to the face. Here is my bare face ready for some skincare love. So I do have a few hairs on my chin and neck. I'm just gonna pluck those. And also I'm gonna shave my unibrow. Yes, I have a unibrow. Believe it or not, yes, I have a unibrow and I shave it every single week. Don't ask me why I do. I know you guys are like, why don't you just keep your unibrow? I don't want to keep my unibrow, all right? When I have a relaxed face, I look mad. That's why I shave my unibrow. I had my unibrow for a very long time growing up, and now I just like it cut. So that's what I'm doing here. I am shaving my unibrow. I shave it about once or twice a week, and then I don't touch my eyebrows at all, aside from just shaving the unibrow. I don't pluck my eyebrows. I don't shave the sides. I don't do any of that sort. I just do my unibrow. I do get a lot of compliments and comments about my eyebrows and how I maintain them. And here you go. This is it. I really don't do much. Ladies, just leave your eyebrows alone and they'll be perfectly fine. Trust me. They'll be nice and full if you just leave them alone. But now I am plucking my chin hairs. I don't have like a whole lot. I guess I have like the average amount, and I just pluck them out. And to be honest, that's pretty much it. I really don't do a whole lot of hair removal on my face. I don't get rid of the peach fuzz. I don't shave my sideburns. I don't shave my face in general. I may shave my very slight mustache over my lip, but even so, that's not very pronounced. So yeah, I don't do much hair removal, and that's pretty much it. What I do is I do get rid of, they're not called blackheads. A lot of people say they're called blackheads, but they aren't called blackheads. So either I squeeze these out, they are called filaments. These are filaments. It's basically oil, dirt, lotions, basically clogging your pores. And you can either squeeze them out like I'm doing, or here's a trick that you can do. So I'm just gonna give you all a tip. This is a good tip, but I feel like y'all gonna go ham in the comments. I use a placker, and I just go down my nose and I squeeze out the filaments. Now, this is not for everybody. I'm just saying what I do. This works for me. This clears the pores. Yes, it hurts just a little bit, but I feel like those pore strips hurt just as much. And I do rinse it in between cleaning. I rinse it in between cleaning. But yeah, this works for me to get rid of all that oil, that lotion, just everything. So yeah, give it a try. Let me know what you guys think about this technique, if you do the same thing too at home. And yeah, it works for me. So that's what I've been doing for the past few years. Just a disclaimer, I do not recommend doing this before you go out because your nose will be red, and I mean Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer red. It will look like you just finished crying. Somebody gonna ask you if you sick, are you okay? Yeah, it's gonna be a little red, so do not go out in public because you gonna look like it's allergy season. And nobody wants to walk around looking like they're about to sneeze. But what we do want to look like is that we have clear skin. So my routine for my self-care Wednesday entails of several products to create a clear complexion. So the first thing I do is a triple cleanse, which means I wash my face 3 times, and then I use a scrub, an exfoliant, and then finally a couple of masks. And here is my process. So I'm starting off with the Kate Somerville Exfoliating Cleanser. I use about a dime size, and this is actually a sample from Sephora, but I'm going to rub it in for 30 seconds throughout my face, and then I'm gonna rinse with nice cold water. It took me a really long time to do this, but pat dry either with a clean washcloth towel or even a paper towel. It took me forever to do this, but I no longer like on my face. I just pat it dry. And now I'm using my turmeric soap. This stuff is amazing if you have hyperpigmentation, if you have acne scars, anything like that. I use this every single day, and it really just brightens up my face and clears it up, and I look so awake in the morning. Once again, I'm going to rinse my face with cold water and pat dry. Ooh, my skin is looking good already. To complete the triple cleanse, I actually used a cleansing cloth in the shower, and then I just rubbed it in with my fingers. Here it is right here. This is what the cloth looks like. It is disposable. All you have to do is activate it with water, cleanse your face, and it also makes a good cleansing cloth if you're going on a trip or anything like that. You can cleanse your face, you can cleanse your underarms, you can cleanse your whole body with this simple cloth. So that concludes my triple cleanse using 3 cleansers. I'm not going to exfoliate this time because the Kate Somerville cleansing exfoliator already had an exfoliator in it. So I'm not going to double exfoliate. That's just overdoing it. But now I'm going to go to my favorite part of my face skincare, which is the mask. Do you guys remember that viral Aztec clay mask that everybody was using on their face and in their hair to make their curls really defined? Well, I still use this, and I swear by it. It will clear up your complexion so well. I use it on a weekly basis with apple cider vinegar. You can use regular apple cider vinegar, but I like to use these. If you want to know my recipe to making your own apple cider vinegar solution, let me know in the comments below, and I'll make a separate video for you guys. But yeah, all I do is I take a few scoops of the clay mask, and then I combine it with the apple cider vinegar. The ratio is maybe like less than half, so about a scoop or 2 of the Aztec clay, depending on how much you need for your face or whatever you're using it for, and then a few drops of the apple cider vinegar, just a little bit at a time, because I'm not trying to make too much clay mask. I'm only going to be using it on my face, so I don't want any leftovers. To apply the mask, I like to use a mask brush. Fingers are fine. Sometimes I use my fingers, but I just like using the brush because it's cleaner, and basically I'm using the same one to mix the mask. But I just apply it to my face, and I make sure to avoid my eye area and mouth region. And I do apply it on my nose, like so. The mask will feel really tight, slightly tingly when it dries. It also will look very cracked, may even start to fall off, but that's when I know it's ready, and all I have to do is rinse it off. As I like to say, clean and clear and under control. A quick quick tip I recommend is investing in a hair strainer, or basically a sink strainer. That's good for catching hair, because also it's good for catching your clay mask. You don't want to clog up your sink with a clay mask. So I like to use this in my sink and also in the tub, which also concludes my skincare routine. And now I'm going to show you my last but not least routine, which is rinsing my hair and doing a little bit of body skincare as well. Sometimes it feels like the only time I have time to myself is when I'm in the shower, which is perfect for the self-care 11 days. I like to rinse my hair first, then follow suit with the body. Here I am rinsing out my conditioner that sat in my hair about 45 minutes to an hour. To maintain my glowy complexion, I like to go in once again with my turmeric soap, but this one is exfoliating soap bar. The bar doesn't have much scent, so I'm going to be using my Magnolia and Pistachio body wash with my scrub mitt. By the way, I got the mitt from IKEA and the link is in the bio below. If you get waxed every 4 weeks, I recommend using this mitt, particularly under your underarms, so you don't get ingrown hairs. I also like to use its body scrub. This one is salt-based. It has natural oils and turmeric, and it is very hydrating, and it is great for exfoliating before I'm going to shave, before I'm going to wax. It also lightens up my skin tone and also any scars I may have. And in the end, my skin is super, super glowy and looks so healthy and hydrated. I try to use this body scrub about once a week, and then I also alternate using another sugar scrub as well. I don't know about you ladies, but I don't even use shaving cream anymore. I actually use shaving oil. It is very hydrating, very moisturizing, and it's really easy to use, and I don't even have to use lotion or body butter afterwards. But I apply the oil, I shave, always shave against the grain, and shave upward when shaving your legs. And then I just do a quick rinse, and I'm pretty much good to go. Last but not least are the finishing touches, which is sealing in all the hydration. I like to combine my lotions, body lotions, with my body butters, and I also like to put perfume on as well, but that's what I do to seal in all the moisture. I use body butters. This one is a perfume one, and the other one is a tree hot lotion. I like to combine the two. All the links are in the bio below. I like to mix one. I like to put one in one hand, the one in the other, and then I like to mix it up and warm it in my hand, and then just apply it on my body. I forgot to mention this earlier, but I did hydrate my skin. That was the last step of my skin routine for my face. I like to use vitamin C lotion or vitamin C serum. And then also it is very important to use sunscreen. This one is the e.l.f. and I always definitely try to use it every time I go out. And it does make a difference to how your skin looks throughout the day. Now, a smelling good body isn't complete without smelling good breath. Now, I like to use these Hello products on a daily basis. This is pretty straightforward. I just brush my teeth with the Hello products. I keep calling it Hello Fresh for some reason, but Hello products. It is the mouthwash and toothpaste. And then this is just a basic $5 Oral-B toothbrush and a tongue cleaner from the Dollar Tree. All right, y'all, so that concludes my self-care day, aka body maintenance, aka skin routine, all that jazz. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you want me to make similar videos like this where I'm more in detail, not make it as long, etc., let me know. These are all the products that I use, and some of them I did not mention in the video, but I just use in general. So pause, screenshot, what have you, and pick up these products at your local stores. All right, so it's Emily Creative Gem. If you like what you see and enjoy content like this, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification on the bottom, and be notified when new videos like this come out. All right, stay tuned for that hair tutorial, and I will see you guys later. Bye.